Efficiency is the backbone of effective payroll management. Manually creating job profiles one by one can be time-consuming and prone to errors. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to streamline your workflow by bulk importing job profiles directly into the XpertERP Payroll module. Let's get started. To begin, log in to the Payroll module of XpertERP. On the left-hand side menu, click on the Job Profiles button. This will bring you to the main dashboard where all existing job profiles are listed. To start an import, click the Import button located in the top right corner of the page. The import page is divided into two sections, one for uploading your batch file and another for previewing the data. Before we upload, we need the correct format. Click on the Download Template button to get a copy of the batch template in Excel format. Now let's open the Excel template and populate it with your data. You will see columns for profile name, profile category, profile description, and payroll component or transaction codes. Note that codes like 1000, 1100, and 1200 represent specific payroll components. When filling this out, ensure the profile categories match the system's accepted values exactly. These are junior staff, middle management, senior management, and EXCO. Also, the profile description column is optional. You can remove it entirely if it isn't needed. Once your data is ready, remember to save the file. Returning to XpertERP, upload your file by either clicking the Upload area or using the drag and drop feature. After the file is attached, click the Preview button. This generates a detailed preview of your Excel data within the system. Pay close attention to the status column. A new status means the profile doesn't exist and will be created, while an update status means the system will modify an existing profile. Next, you must specify the entry type for each payroll component. You can choose from fixed amount, time rate, quantity or days rate, or percentage. After selecting the appropriate types and confirming all data is accurate, go ahead and click the Save button. If the import is successful, a confirmation message will appear. Click OK. You can verify the upload by scrolling through the job profiles list or opening a specific profile to confirm that the payroll components have been correctly assigned. And that's it, you've successfully mastered the bulk import process for job profiles in XpertERP. This method ensures your payroll structure remains organized and scalable with minimal effort. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more XpertERP Power tips. Thanks for watching.